Higher magnification drastically reduces the field of view. This is a 2x C mount adapter. It mounts on top between the microscope and the camera. This isn't a work microscope. It's for observing life, and here more zoom can actually help. Immersion oil is used with a 100 times objective to observe very small biological details. Solution. Without a frosted diffuser, transparent microorganisms are almost invisible. This piece softens the light and reveals fine biological details. So if you're observing microorganisms, don't forget to use one. This is the Mechanic Vision Pro 4K industrial camera. I bought it to upgrade the microscope, and now we're mounting it for real-time 4K imaging. It cost around €140. Surprisingly, the box actually includes everything: HDMI cable, a USB-C cable, a mouse, and a dual-interface USB drive, USB-C and USB-A. This is a real-time camera test on a mechanical optical microscope. Magnification is around 50 to 80 times. What you're seeing is live, raw image, no filters, no enhancement. Inside this tiny drop, microorganisms are moving, feeding, interacting. No narration, no labels, just the camera doing its job.